In this video, we'll demonstrate how to efficiently convert Excel files to PDF. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through the steps for a polished result. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to convert Excel to PDF. Your feedback matters, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below helps us create better content for you. Have you ever needed to convert your Excel files into PDFs for a professional presentation or to share data securely? You might have encountered online converters, but you don't need them. Excel has an inbuilt feature for this, and I'll show you how to use it. Step 1. Open your Excel file. Start by opening your Excel file, which you want to convert to a PDF. Step 2. Convert using shortcut. The quickest method is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+P. This opens the print preview options. Look for Microsoft Print to PDF in the printer selection drop-down. Choose this option. Select whether you want to print the active sheet, the entire workbook, or a specific selection of cells. Step 3. Convert using File menu. Navigate to the File menu and click on Export. Select Create PDF and then click on Create PDF. Name your PDF file and click on Publish. Step 4. Convert using Save As option. Go to the File menu and choose Save As. From the File Type drop-down, select PDF. Name your PDF file and click Save. Now, you've successfully created a PDF from your Excel file. But what if you want to refine the appearance and layout of your PDF? Here's where page setup comes into play. Step 5. Customize page setup. Open the sheet you want to format for PDF. Go to Page Layout. Choose the print area and set it to include only the specific cells or area you want to appear in the PDF. Adjust the Scale to Fit options to control the page's size. Be cautious not to make the scale too small, as it may affect readability. You can add page numbers by going to Header, Footer under Page Setup. Select your preferred page numbering format, and the page numbers will be added to your PDF. By customizing page setup for each sheet, you can ensure a professional appearance for your PDF. This is particularly useful when you have specific content or layout requirements. Now that your Excel to PDF conversion is both quick and professional, you can save or share your files with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.